Welcome to Botanik Platinum Hotel, a tropical paradise in Alanya. Let's see what makes it special. This 5-star resort is set among lush botanical gardens, offering a unique blend of luxury and natural beauty. It's perfect for a relaxing getaway. Guests love the stylish, modern rooms, each equipped with top-tier amenities. Dining options include international cuisine, fresh seafood, and gourmet delights. With multiple pools, a private beach, and spa treatments, there's no shortage of ways to unwind. Plus, activities for all ages make it a great choice for families and couples alike. Visitors highlight the exceptional service and peaceful atmosphere. Some note that it can get crowded during peak season, but the overall experience remains highly rated. Would you visit Botanik Platinum Hotel and let us know below? Like and subscribe for more travel content.